Boo, carburetor's gone. I'm gonna freshen her up. Make sure all the air bleeds or cavities for the jets are all clear. Carburetors are pretty simple. If you have airflow, you'll have fuel flow. And you just repeat that process, blowing into all the jets and orifices, blowing carburetor cleaner through everything, spraying it out, blowing it through again. You could hot tank them, that's the best way, but the boss didn't want to hot tank it, so we're just going to do the trusty carb cleaner and blow gun and scrub brush method. Clean this thing up, put it back together. Should run good. It had bad gas in it. So thanks for watching this video. This is the Roadrunner. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.